Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. It's not that often that I show non-Sudoku puzzles on the channel, and especially a non-Sudoku puzzle by Richard Stolk. This is a capsule puzzle, also known as Suguru, the Japanese name. So this is a number placement puzzle where you have to place all digits from 1 to 5 in every pentamina region that you see in the grid. And what's important is that similar digits, equal digits, can't see each other even diagonally. So basically this means that every 2 by 2 square should contain 4 different digits. That's the rule. And also every outlined region should contain 5 different digits. And this is a practice puzzle for the upcoming Dutch Puzzle Championship. So I already solved this puzzle, and I must say it is quite difficult, and I try to do my best to solve it again. So what can we see? This one prevents both digits here from being ones, so there has to be a 1 somewhere here. This 5 prevents all 3 cells here from being 5s. So this is a 5. That's the only position available in this region. And here we have a 1, 3, 4 triple. This 5 is not here. So that's a 5. This 5 is in none of those 3 cells. So 5 is here. 5 is in none of those. So it's in one of 2 places. 2 is in none of those 3 places, so it has to be somewhere here. And now it can't be here, so 1 is in one of those places. So this can only be 1 or 4. For this area, I don't think I can do anything else. So let's have a look at this. 4 is not here. 2 is not here. It has to be somewhere there. 2 is not here. And because of this, 2 can't be here. So there must be a 2 somewhere here. And because of this 3 can't be here. It has to be somewhere there. And that's interesting because 3 here, 3 can't be here now. And it can't be here, so there must be a 3 somewhere there. So this can't be a 3. Because of this, this can't be a 3, so 3 has to be somewhere here. That's a 3-4 pair. And this is now a 1-2 pair. This digit can't be 1 or 2. And we saw that it couldn't be 3, so this is 5. And this must be 1 or 2. And we know because of this that this can't be a 2, so that's a 1. That's not 1, that's 1. And here, this is a 2-3 pair, so this can't be 2. This can't be 2 anymore. That's not 4, that's not 5, that's not 3, so that's 2. 3 and 2 here. Those 2 now are 4 and 5. Five is not here, so 5 is down there, and this can't be 5 anymore. That's not 5, so 5 is here. This can't be 1, 2, or 4. This is 3 or 5. None of those can't be 1, so 1 has to be here or there, which is not that interesting. And 3 positions for 4. In the end, this can only be 1 or 5. 2 or 5, 2 or 4, 3 or 4, 1, 3, 4. And now this prevents this from being 2. So this is 1, 3, or 4. And the interesting part is that those are 3 different digits, and one of them here is a 1. So we know that 1 can't be in any of those 2 cells, but 1 could still be here. So this is not that interesting. Where should I look now? 4 is not here. Oh, and it's not here because of this 4, so that's a 4. 4 is not here, it has to be somewhere down here, up there. 1 is not here, so this is 5 is not here, so this is 2 or 3. This is 1, 3, or 5 because of 2 and 4. This is 1, 3, or 4. 2 can't be here, and because of this it can't be here. So this is also 1, 3, or 5. And something interesting here is that this digit is not here, so it has to be here. This is also 1, 3, or 4. And this. Not seeing what else I can do. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruple. Same is true here. Ah, and I said there's a 1 here. So there's not a 1 here. This is 2, 3, 4. We get another quadruple here. And we know that 1 has to be here in this quadruple, so this can't be 1. But this could be 1. But this part of the grid is still blank. What about this area? There's a 2 here, there's a 5 here, so this is also 1, 3, or 4. And that's interesting because here we have a 1, 3, 4 triple. So this must be 2 or 5. And look at this. We know that 5 is not here. And because of this, 5 is not here, so 5 is here. And it prevents all of those from being 5. So 5 is here in this region. So now that is a 1. 1 is not here. Here we get a 3, 4 pair. So this is a 2. And this is 2, this is 5. Because of this one, that's not a 1. That's a 1, 3, 4 triple. So there's a 1 here. So this is not 1. Sorry, this is not 1, I was saying. One, 2, 5. So this is also 3 or 4. So that's a 3, 4 pair. There's a 1, 2 pair here. 5 is not here, so 5 is either here or there, which means that this can't ever be a 5. This is 1, 2, or 3. One, 2, and 5 see this cell, so this is 3 or 4. And it's different from this one. So it's the same as this. 1, 2. So this is not 1 or 2. Oh, this 5 removes this option, so 5 is here. This is now 1, 3, or 4. And this is different from both of those, so this is the same as that. Where else should I do? This is not 1 or 2. 2 is not here. So 2 has to appear somewhere there. Not that spectacular for a deduction. It's very easy to overlook something in such a puzzle. Oh, look at this. 1, 3, 4 triple, so this is 1. That's not 1. 3, 4 pair here, so this is 1. That's not 1. 2, 3, 4 here. What's happening here? This is different from this, so it's the same as that. So this is the same as that, and it doesn't help for this. This is the same as that. That doesn't help at all. Is there anything there? No. 4 is not. What about 2 and 3 here? Oh yes, 2 is not here, so 2 is in one of those 3 positions. So this can't be 2, that's a 3. That's a 5, that's a 1. That's a 5, that's not 1, that's not 1. So this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. 2 is not here, so it's here. 1 is not here, that's 5. 3 is in none of those 3 cells, so this is 3, this is 4. 2 is not here, and that's 5. This 3 is not here, that's 4, that's 3. And this is now a 4. That's a 3, that's a 4. None of those are 4s. None of those, not 2 of those. This is 4, this is 3. 4, 3, 4, 4 and 3. That's not 3. This 4 now. Next, we get a 1, 3 pair here, so this is 4. 1, 2, 3 here. And there's a 3 among those, so this can't be a 2. 2 goes there. And because of this, this can't be 1 or 3. Always this very difficult sound to pronounce for a French speaker. 4 is not here. This is now 1. No, none of them is a 1. So 1, 2, 3. None of them is here. This is 4 or 5. What else happens here? This 3 is in none of those 3 cells. That's a 3. This can't be 2, 3, 5, or 4. This is 1. This can't be 5. 2 here. This is 2 or 4. This is 1 or 3. 5 can only be here. 1, 3, or 4. There's a 3 somewhere here, so this can't be 3. It has to be 2 or 4. Now look, 5 has to be here or there, so 5 would never be here. This is not 1, 2, or 5, this is 3 or 4. But now one of those 3 cells is a 3, so this can't be 3. Now, none of those can be a 4, so this is 4, that's not 4. We get 1 3 pair here, so this, and this can't be 4 either, so that's 4, that's 2. This is now 2 or 3. This can't be 3. Four is not here, 4 is not here, so there's a 4 somewhere here, and this is now a 5. 1 3 pair here. This can be 1 3 or 4, so this is 2 or 5. That's a triple, 2 3 5 triple, and in this triple 3 is here, so this is not 3, and this is not 3 either. This 3 removes the option from those cells, so that's a 3, that's a 1, a 3, a 4, a 2, 3, 2 and 4. This one now makes this a 3, this a 1. We're slowly getting there. This now can't be 5 3 or 4, so it has to be 1 or 2. This is different from all those digits, so it has to be a 4. In this 2 3 5 triple, there's a 5 somewhere here, so this can't be a 5. Actually, it couldn't be a 5 because of this. It's not a 1 or a 2. Because of this 1 2 pair, it can only be 3. So that's 3 5 2 3 5 and 2 here. This 3 now makes this a 1, this a 3. Oh, this 2 makes this a 1, that's 2, that's 1, that's 2, that's 1, and that's it. Wow. This is really a difficult puzzle, and if I recall correctly, the capsule puzzle in the upcoming puzzle championship for the Netherlands is worth a very small amount, so the puzzle should be much easier than this one. But this one showcases all standard logic of Suguru, and that's really an impressive construction. Thanks for watching this video, and see you pretty soon on SudoKanard.